Lastly, let us consider example 4, where we want to determine the gain of the CCVS. In the circuit shown below, we have a 10-volt ideal source providing a voltage potential VA across our 6-ohm resistor, such that IA is flowing through said resistor. On the right-hand side of our circuit, we have a CCVS where our output, 4.8 volts, is equal to R, our gain, times IA. Now to determine R, we first have to determine IA. And to do such, we will apply Ohm's law to our 6-ohm resistor. Solving for IA is equal to VA, our voltage potential across our resistor, which is identically equal to the output of our ideal voltage source, 10 volts, per our resistance, 6 ohms, such that IA is equal to 1.6 amps, ignoring rounding. Now we can determine R by recognizing the output of our CCVS is given as 4.8 volts, such that RIA is equal to output. In solving for R, our output, 4.8 volts, per IA, 1.6 amps, gives us a gain of 3 ohms.